Okay, so we're looking at a short video on part of probability called conditional probability. So in conditional, you have a smaller group to be considered instead of the whole group. So in this particular question here, 5 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2. So 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, and 2 is 16. So I've got 16 people. So normally all the questions, all the answers would be divided by 16 because that's the universe, okay? But in conditional probability, you don't always have everyone to consider. So here's an example. Find the probability of B happening given that A happens as well. And in notation, just so you know, this actually can be shortened. If I just say probability of A slash B, that's the short way of saying what's the probability. Actually, no, I've got it the wrong way around. Sorry about that. What's the probability of B given that A has happened? So you put the first letter and the given part is the second. So if you see in a textbook, find the probability of B slash A, it means that A has happened and what's the chance that B also happens. So in this particular question here, and I'm just going to turn into highlighter. Okay, it says that A has happened, so that's the only group of people that we're looking at, those 8 people. So we don't have 16 people anymore, okay? Because A has happened, I've only got these 8 people. So what's the chance that it also happens for B? Well, this is the group of people who also live in B. So this particular answer would be 3 out of 8, okay? So we'll go through that again. This has happened. A has happened, which means I've only got these 8 people, not these 16 people. Now, of these 8 people, who also is a member of B is these 3 people because they're in the overlap, okay? So the answer is 3 out of 8. If the question had been A given B, okay, so find the probability of A given B, that means that B has happened, so this is B happening. Those people are B, so the answer will be something over 9 because B has happened. So what's the chance of it being A? Well, these 3 people are the A people, so the answer is 3 out of 9, which is 1/3. Okay, so let's have a look at an example with words. So watch that again if you need to. So conditional probability is a smaller group, not the whole group. Okay, so we did this example before with Venn diagrams, with the ABBAs and the Beatles. Again, so if you haven't watched the video, we'll do the Venn diagram again, and then we'll do the probability of ABBA given Beatles, and then we're going to do the probability of Beatles given ABBA. So we're going to do those 2 questions, but we'll draw the Venn diagram first. So have a go at the Venn diagram and then come back when you're ready and we'll finish it off. Okay, so the Venn diagram, ABBA, Beatles, universe. So 4 people like neither. So instead of having 20 people, if 4 people are taken out, I've got 16 people left. I've got 10 plus 15 is 25, so 25 minus 16 equals 9. So 9 people are inside, and then there's 1 ABBA lover, and there's 6 Beatle lovers left. Okay, so in the first one, okay, they have to like the Beatles. So they have to like the Beatles. So the answer for this first one, because they have to like the Beatles, the answer has to be out of 15. So how many ABBA lovers are part of that 15? And the answer is 9 of them are. And then just cancel down. For part 2, change colour, see if I can get my other colour. So they have to like ABBA. So they have to like ABBA. So there are 10 people to consider, okay? They have to like ABBA, they have to like ABBA. So of those 10 people, how many would like B? So So the answer is 9. And that's it. So that's conditional probability. So you're looking at a smaller group. Again, if you like, if it's in notation like this, you're just looking at B or just looking at A. But the key word is given. So once you see the word given, then this is the group that you're looking at, of which these are the numerators. So these numbers are the numerators, and these are the denominators. So just remember that. And if you need to, just watch the video again. Okay, that's it. Bye.